Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. Are you ready to solve this? Let's go down and solve this. 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 gives us 1. Then most people argue that 1 divided by 1 over 2 gives us 1 over 2 or even 1. But those answers are not correct. Because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, A and S stands for addition and subtraction. So if there are continuous divisions, we have to go from left to right and use the KCF rule for fractions. So first, we have to calculate the first division, 1 divided by 2, which is 1. Then 1 divided by 2 equals 1 times 2 in the KCF rule, so it gives us 2. Therefore, the correct answer will be 2. Did you guess 2 before this?